So I was looking over all of my videos that I've made from the day that I've been making videos, and I realized that literally every single one of my videos starts out exactly the same. Hey guys, what's up? It's Bella here. Every single video. And so I'm trying to have a more interesting introduction because honestly, I feel like since I've started YouTube, I've kind of been, I don't know, not uncomfortable behind the camera, but I feel like I don't know how to describe it. It's like you sit behind a camera and you just don't feel 100% comfortable being like exactly who you are, and I want to be 100% comfortable with you guys because I love you guys and I love making videos. It's just kind of hard to sit behind a camera and just talk like how you would talk to anybody, but I'm trying to change that, guys. If you guys read the title, then you know I am doing a back to school makeup tutorial. And okay, I do makeup videos all the time on this channel, and I'm not gonna lie with you guys, I don't even wear makeup that much, but like honestly, I think makeup is so much fun to put on. And every time I come on here and make makeup videos, I literally just like wing it. I'm gonna do this kind of like chit chat style because I want it to be more laid back. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, you should definitely subscribe because I love all my subscribers and my viewers. Like, even if you're not subscribed, I still love you, but you totally should subscribe because why not? Like, it's free, you know what I mean? With all of that being said, let's get right on into the video. So what grade are you guys going into? Like, comment down below. I'm interested to know. I am going into my junior year of high school, so I'm like almost there. I'm like halfway done. I actually have enough credits to be a senior this year, and my dad was like, oh my gosh, you should totally do that. But I don't know, I don't want to be a senior this year. I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. I love this stuff. It's like $5 or $6 and it's amazing. And this is in the shade, hold on, give me a second, 220 Natural Beige. It's too dark on me, so I'm gonna mix it with this Maybelline BB cream, which I feel like I use in all my videos. Oh, hi, my cat's here. I plan on making a freshman advice video. If you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. I mean, I'm gonna make it even if you don't give it a thumbs up. But I just want to know if you guys are interested in seeing that kind of stuff. When I was going into my freshman year of high school, I was watching like every single freshman advice video, and a lot of them had really good advice, but then when I actually like got into high school and did my freshman and sophomore year, I realized that like that advice wasn't actually like really applicable to what high school was like for me. So I want to do a freshman advice video for you guys that I feel like is actually like real good freshman advice, and not that other videos don't have real good freshman advice. I just want to be like 100% real with you guys about it. I'm sorry that this video is so random. I am literally just like saying random stuff, but I feel like I never tell you guys about like me, like what's going on in my life, and I feel like that's an important thing to do on a YouTube channel and just like in life in general, is make connections with people, because I feel like I've kind of been lacking in doing that, and I want to connect with you guys because I literally love my subscribers, and like I don't make YouTube videos to get views or to get subscribers. I make YouTube videos because I love making YouTube videos and I want to connect with people, and I feel like I haven't been doing that because I haven't been really sharing anything with you guys. The lighting is not on my side today. It keeps getting dark and then bright and then dark and then bright. So next thing I'm going in with is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and I'm just gonna go around my face, basically just powder it up. Why do I say things like that? This is why nobody wants to subscribe to me, because I say things like powder it up. What does that even mean? So now that I look like a washed out ghost, I'm gonna put bronzer on. And I forgot my brush. Oh no, that's too much. What did I do? Basically, I just get like around my forehead, temple area. like this, I don't recommend this. I just haven't been able to get the other one I like. So normally I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, which is 10 out of 10 amazing. And this is the e.l.f. Brow Pencil. It's just not great, but it's all I have. So I'm gonna work with it. Oh, this is, by the way, when my NYX Brow Pencil broke, I could not part with it, so I literally kept the spoolie part and then bent it like this so that it was like this perfect shape to brush my eyebrows with, which was kind of clever. But that's what that was. In case you guys are wondering, it's literally just a spoolie. I'm going to use the Great Lash Clear Mascara just to go over my brows. So I've had a lot of like friends and just like people in general ask me like, how do you start a YouTube channel? Like tips for starting a YouTube channel. And like, I think the best piece of advice I can give you guys is that one, be consistent as possible. So I know so many people who don't do great when they start a YouTube channel, and it's because they start it and then they're like, oh, I'm gonna post all these videos, and then they just don't. And that it's important to make sure that you keep posting so that people have something to watch. And also, as cliche as it may sound, try to be yourself, which is something that I've struggled with day one since having a YouTube channel, because talking to a camera is not as easy as it seems. But try as hard as you can to just be who you are, because that's what people want to see. They want to see you. They don't want to see they don't want to see you trying to act like somebody else. Like if I came on here and started doing like the Ken Burn effect and like the zooming in and like trying to basically edit like Emma Chamberlain, people wouldn't want to watch me, because we already got an Emma Chamberlain, and like, yeah, she's amazing, but you know, we don't need to. Does that make sense? But anyways, I'm gonna do eyeshadow now. I love eyeshadow. Whenever I do makeup, eyeshadow is the one thing I always do. I totally love it. This is L'Oreal. Had this palette again forever because all my makeup is old and I'm nasty. I'm gonna go with this light brown shade right here, and normally I would do this one too, but I'm gonna keep it natural because we're doing a school makeup. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. This one is from Revlon. I recommend it. It's good. Oh no, I lost an eyelash. Happens every time I use an eyelash curler. This is the Lash Sensational. Did I just say that? I don't know. Oh no! I already got some on my eyelid. Oh. So the last thing I'm gonna do is highlight, because we want to go back to school looking like we got sun, like we're glowing, you know? This is Laura Geller highlighter in Baked Portofino. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher and higher. Okay. So that is my back to school makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of long random video of me just talking a lot and not knowing how to do makeup. If you made it to this point in the video, comment down below school, because I'm not creative. But yeah, comment school. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You walk with our